Marketed under the Redmi brand, Xiaomi's latest affordable tablet carries a simple name, it's just the Redmi Pad. Focusing on the fundamentals, the slab comes with a nice balance between core components, a high refresh rate display, sensible chipset choice, a big battery, and useful cameras. The Xiaomi Redmi Pad shares a similar look with other mid-range tablets like the realme Pad and the OPPO Pad Air. It has relatively thin bezels with just enough thickness so you can comfortably rest your thumbs on it without the touchscreen. It's designed to be used in landscape, and from this orientation, you can find the 8MP front camera above the screen. The Redmi Pad has a 10.61-inch display with a 2000 by 1200 resolution, or equal to 220 ppi. It's a decent resolution and you won't immediately notice the pixels when viewed at a normal distance. It uses IPS, so it has natural colors. Viewing angles are okay, but we notice that it is dimmer when you shift the angle a bit. It has a maximum brightness of 400 nits and a maximum refresh rate of 90 Hz. You can choose the default option if you want the system to automatically adjust the refresh rate between 60 Hz and 90 Hz depending on your activity. When it comes to audio, the Redmi Pad has 4 speakers with support for Dolby Atmos. However, the quality is a bit underwhelming as it sounded like they're equipped with generic speakers. The mids are weak and the highs are tinny, but since there are 4 of them, it sounded immersive. There's a subtle hint of bass, though, so we'll give it that. It's good enough for casual viewing and gaming. The Redmi Pad is equipped with a single 8MP main rear camera and an 8MP ultra-wide front camera. The cameras are not its strongest features, and there's not much to expect from 8MP shooters. Autofocus is a bit slow and shots would sometimes come out of focus. There are not a lot of details in the images, but the colors are accurate. We could say that the cameras are here for video calls or meetings. It would still be good for social media uploads, but the lighting conditions must be ideal before you can really take quality images. When it comes to shooting videos, it can record at a maximum of 1080p at 30 frames per second. The MediaTek Helio G99 chipset is decently powerful and frugal at the same time, and the 8000 mAh battery promises solid longevity. The Redmi Pad ships in the standard white cardboard box. You get pretty much anything in these days. Inside, in addition to the tablet itself, you'll find a 22.5W charger, though the tablet itself is capped at 18W, and a USB A to C cable.